Hi, my name is Ryan Miller. I'm the son of Ben Miller. Today we'll be talking about my dad's job at Austal. Where do you work at Austal?
I work in final assembly, which final assembly, as far as Austal is concerned, final assembly are the series of production sheds that are located directly on the Mobile River, and they are located on either side of the Bankhead Tunnel.
Alright, so what are some interesting facts about Austal?
Okay, some interesting facts. Austal USA. Austal USA was founded in 1999. It's grown rapidly. It started off with about 100 employees back then in 1999. Once they got a contract for the Hawaiian Super-ferry, which are two large catamaran ferries, it started to grow more rapidly. I came on and started working at Austal in 2007. I was employee number 816. So right around that time is when Austal started building the LCS, the Littoral Combat Ship, the first one, which is an Independence variant, shallow water, three-hull design or trimaran battleship, or smaller shallow water battleship. And so we've built since then. That was the first one. That was LCS 2. We've built the even numbered ships, and we just recently had the christening of LCS 22. So that means we've built 11 of them. Pretty cool. At the same time, we built more of the Hawaiian Super-ferry style ships. We built about 11 of those as well. And now in 2018, we sit at about 4,000 employees.
Do you know how long it takes to make a ship?
Okay, so when you say how long it takes to build a ship or make a ship, we start that at the very beginning when we have to advance buy materials for a ship. And so the Navy will give us money. We contract with the Navy to build these ships. The Navy will give us money to buy the aluminum, the raw materials, and the gas turbine engines, the diesels, the generators, all of those big items. So we have to put our order in with the companies that we're going to obtain those materials from. We have to put our orders in far ahead of time, that's called advance buy. So from advance buy to when we actually deliver a ship to the Navy is somewhere in the neighborhood of 2.5 to 3.5 years. It just depends. Depends on the ship, and it depends on how far in advance they start to buy the metal.
Thanks for giving me your time to answer my questions. Bye.